Yes, I want to tell you how to run a restaurant business. Things you need to start running a restaurant business. This is a question a lot of people always ask me on comment section. That's why I'm making this video. Yes, there's many ways to make money online. There's many ways to make money offline. But now I want to tell you that important way to make money offline with even small budget. Let me tell you this first of all. Restaurant business is a business that you will go to that you will never regret. Yes, because no matter how the economy is going, no matter how the situation is going, you must eat food. All right, you must eat food, and no matter how the situation is going, people must eat food. And business you will go into before I tell you things you need to do to go to into or things you need before going into restaurant business. Before I will tell you that, you see, doing a full stock business is very, very cool because doing a full stock business, you will always rotate based on how the economy is going. All right? Yes, because people must eat food. People must eat, no matter how bad it is, no matter how you feel that things are going. Well, if this is your first time to see this channel is all about the kitchen, how to cook, and eating challenge, and how to give you education concerning kitchen. All right. So that's what let me bring this to you. Doing a full stock business, you must not have millions of naira. Some people say before going into a full stock business, you must have millions of naira. No, there is way to go into a full stock business. And note, going to a business, you don't need millions to start business. You can start your business with small capital. How? Now, if you want to start a business, you want to start a business for full stock business, that is where I'm specifying on. If you have 100,000, you can start a full stock business and run it perfectly. Okay, now ask me how. Let me tell you this. Getting small bro, you must not rent a very big shop to run your food stock business. You can start from anywhere you find yourself. You can start online. That's why I tell you that you can do your business offline and online and make money. You can start offline, you can start online. Very, very important. A lot of things are going on now. If you check, people are now ordering things online and making delivery to your doorstep. Okay, because some people don't have time to go to market, they can order online and the person that is selling the goods will supply to them to their very destination. Now let me tell you this now. The best way you can do this particular business with only 100,000 naira is what I want to tell you. And you can also do it without money. All right, you can also do it without money. How will you do it without money? That will be the topic of next video. I will tell you that. Now use 100,000 naira, go and buy water bag or one pint of rice, buy one pint of beans, buy one pint of corn. Let me tell you this for free. Start from there. All right, if your customer come and ask you, you have one bag of rice, say yes, don't ever say no. You have one bag of beans, say yes, don't ever say no. Yes, why would you say yes and why you should not say no? When you say yes, then that is when you are going to be a third party in a business. All right, some people talk about affiliating. This is part of affiliating. What is affiliating? Affiliate is when you don't have a business, you are middleman in somebody's business. Okay, when you don't have a business, you are middleman in somebody's business. And when affiliating, you must not have any money at hand. Only what you need is your smartphone. All right, now what will you do when the person comes and asks you, you have one bag, say when you say yes, then look for people that is selling wholesale. Go there and tell these people, say, I want to be a partner with you. I want to be a middleman in your business. When you approach the person, now the person might ask you how, if he or she don't understand. You tell the person that if person wants to buy something, I will bring a customer to you. Then you give me my percentage or you give me my commission, depending how many customers I bring. Then have you seen that you are going into a business now? You are going into a business. Well, that's by the way, this will be the video of next time. I want to tell you how to run successful restaurants in your local area. You must not have money to build a very big canteen before you start running a very standard restaurant business. First of all, what do? Get a cooler. You must not get gas or electric stove. Get a local way of kitchen. Use firewood or use charcoal. You can get a charcoal stove, very affordable. With less than 20,000, you can afford a charcoal stove. Buy your charcoal in bags. All right. Get one pint of rice, one pint of beans, 2 spag, buy meals. You can when you are doing this thing and when you are expanding, people will see the how hardworking you are and try to make partner, make customers when you are buying all these things. If there is a time it will get to, you will be able to collect things from them on credit. After selling, you return the money. I say I will teach you how to make money online and offline via kitchen. Don't forget, via kitchen aspects. Alright. Now, when you cook your food, look for a place, get umbrella, because this country is going to somewhere that we don't know. The country is taking us to where we don't know. Get umbrella, make sure you know how to cook very well, and that's when this channel is going to help you learn how to cook any kind of food in this channel. Then when you cook your food, make sure that you have a specific time when you go to market. Not if you go today, you will not go tomorrow. Because people like consistency. For example, if you personally want to buy something and you go to buy that thing, that particular thing you want to buy, maybe you go to this shop, you buy it here today, buy it tomorrow. Next tomorrow, you went there to buy and the person not come out. You will switch to another customer. And when you switch to another customer, you might find that another customer is sweet to very, very interesting and maybe you get it in cheaper rates. Note that because you are not consistent in your business, the other customer will leave you and switch to another customer because he'll find a place where he or she is getting the goods very cheap. Consistency is number one in running a restaurant business. Alright, that's consistent, that's number one. Number two, make sure you know how to cook very well. Make sure you know how to cook very well. Number three, have good approach. Have good approach. When talking to your customers, make sure you approach them rightly. Okay. Number four, make sure you're a very clean person. With all this little thing I said, you will run a restaurant business perfect. Even though if you don't have time to run it, or you feel like maybe you don't have to, dish out food, not to make mistake, not to put over via the amount of food the person wants to purchase. Ask people. Don't just swallow pride. Ask people, please ma, please sir, how do you process this? How do you do this? Ask people. They will tell you how they do the business. Alright? Do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. Trust me, this channel will help you